Everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to find your IBAN and BIC code in Santander in 2025, whether you're using the app or online banking. These codes are essential for making international transfers or receiving money from abroad. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Santander app or website. Launch the Santander mobile app or log into your online banking account through the website. Make sure you're connected to a secure internet connection. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login details, usually your customer ID and password, or biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID if you have it enabled. Step 3. Select the account you want. Once you're logged in, go to the Accounts or My Accounts section. Tap or click on the specific account you need the IBAN and BIC for, usually your main checking account. Step 4. View IBAN and BIC details. Look for an option like Account Details, International Details, or IBAN BIC information. You'll see both your IBAN International Bank Account number and BIC Bank Identifier Code or SWIFT code listed there. Step 5. Copy or share the codes. Tap Copy to save the codes to your clipboard, or select Share if you want to send the information via email or messaging app. This is helpful if someone else needs the info to send you a payment. Tip: make sure to give the full IBAN without spaces, and double check that it matches your account to avoid delays or errors in transfers. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find your IBAN and BIC code in Santander. Quick, simple, and secure. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more smart banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.